Hello everyone, how are you? Mr.Zaki with you to explain math section in GAT, Qudrat and Qiyas. I am happy to follow me and you understand and you care to understand the questions. So now this question number 13. The following graph shows the mark obtained by Ahmed and Basim in some different subjects. The mark and Ahmed Qasim. You see here, Ahmed, Arabic, English, math, and science. So Basim scored the greatest mark in what? Because you see here, Basim, it is this color, and Ahmed blue color, right? So he said, Basim, what is the Basim's obtained the greatest mark in math? It is number B. Okay, the second question, the 14 questions, the two people second the same mark is what? It is, the second mark, it is what? In English, the same mark, right? Look here, the same mark, it is what? It's in English, right? So the answer is here, number D. 15, Ahmed scored a higher mark than Basim in what? Look, the mark of Ahmed is better than Basim in Arabic. It is number C. It is in Arabic. Number 16, by using table, now a merchant bought devices. Yeah, here number 16, I have 5,300. Then he sold it with a profit of 50%. What is the selling price? Can we find the selling price here by a rule? You can here, because I have 5,300, then he sold it in with the profit 40%, right? We write it like this. See here, write it by 5, the 5,300 time, yes, because I have here 40%, right? So if you write 40% time, because you can add here 100 plus 40, it is 140 over 100. Over 100. So we can simplify now, 0 with 0 and 0 with 0. Then you multiply 14 times 5,530. So the answer is 7,420. So the answer is D. So here the answer is D. All right, good. Number 17 now. The questions, the 17, it is mouth practices running every week. If he was running 3.4 kilometers on Saturday and adds 0.4 kilometers more every day, how many kilometers did he run in Friday? He is running every day, or he runs every day 0.4 kilometers. So after 6 days, you can write 6 times 0.4, because 0.4. You can, then it is what? 2.4. The answer is 2.4. Then you can add with the 3.4, put it here, 3.4, you add it, then you find the answer is 5.8. So the answer is C. Right. Number 18, what is the answer? 18, he said, if 1/8 of a number equals 800, so 25% of this number equals what? It is easy, because so the number, if he said when it is what? 1/8. 1/8, I put it here. 1/8 of the number, I put it 1/8 of x equals 800, right? We want to find x. What is the x? Now you multiply it by 8, then x equals, if you multiply 8 times 800 is 6,400, right? This now the number. So we find it, the quarter, 25%. So you can the division by 4. So the number is 1,600. So the number is 1,600. You see? Right. So the answer is number C. Right. Number 19 now. What is the answer of number 19? Hanuf's age now is triple her sister's age. And 5 years ago, Hanuf's age was 5 times her sister. What is Hanuf's age now? Yeah, that's good. Okay, we can write equation if you want. Look, he said now Hanuf's, we said we can say x, her sister here, you put it here, sister is x. Hanuf's age is a triple, then Hanuf's is 3x, right? Good. After 5 years ago, what is it? What is it? Hanuf's will be, Hanuf's age was 5 times. So we put equation 3x minus 5, because Hanuf's is 3x, and he said age was 5 years ago. 3x minus 5 equals 5 times. So put it 5x minus 5, right? Then you can solve these questions, or you can solve this equation, multiply it by 5. 3x minus 5 equals 5x here, 5x minus 25. Then we can find x. This you can write it, this minus 5 go to another side, 5x to the left side. So you get here minus 2x equals, if you go to the another side, equal to minus 20 and divided by 2, then x equals 10. So I find Hanuf's sisters, so it is 10, yes. What about Hanuf's now? You multiply it by 3. 3 times 10 equals 30. So the answer is number C. Did you get this? Right, good. So the answer is C. Number 20, he said, a wall clock moves 6 minutes every hour if it was adjusted according to the right time at 9 a.m. So what time does the clock show when the right time is 7:30? So we want to find how many from 9 to 7:30. He said from 9 to 7:30. Look, from 9 to 7:30, what is it? Or how many hours I have? I have 10 hours and a half, right? 10 hours and a half. And also we have here, it was adjusted clockwise 6 minutes every hour. 6 minutes every hours. I have 10 here. Then you multiply it by 6. If you multiply here 10 hours, multiply by 6, it is 60 minutes, right? What about half here? Also, you multiply it by also 6, right? When you multiply it by 6, it is what? It is 3 minutes, right? Then you can add 3 minutes with 60. It is 63 minutes. So I have 1 hours and 3. Then you added this 1 hours and 3. Yeah, 1 hours and 3, right? So only you add to the you added now with 7:30, so the answer is 8:33, right? The answer is D. What about 21? In the opposite figure, you see here, in the opposite figure, how there is a rectangle divided into identical rectangles. The ratio between the shaded part and the unshaded part is what? Here only I have how many? 1, 2. Here we have 2 also. You calculate, right? You calculate how many will be. Number of shaded triangle is 16. Number of unshaded triangle is 16. Also the same. So then area of shaded triangle 16 over 16 will be 1. So 16 over 16 equals 1. The answer is A. Okay, now we will go to 22. A semicircle with a diameter of 20 centimeter has an isosceles triangle inside. What is the area of the shaded part here? Okay, it is easy. The area of shaded part of half area of circle, right? Because I don't have a complete circle. I have half a circle. So half a circle, it is, what is the radius? The radius is 10, because he said 20 centimeter, here 10, and here 10. So we can find the half area circle. We put it half by time 100, because the radius is r, then you square it, then equals 50 by. So 50 by. What is the answer? Here 50 by. What about the rectangle now? The area of shaded now half base time high. Half base time high. So I have here, because this is the same, so the same, so here 20 over the same 20 of 2, square root of 2, because here 45 degrees, here 45 degrees, also here 20 over square root over 2, then you multiply it. The height, what is the height? So 400 divided by 4 equals 100. So only you subtract 50 minus 100, then the answer is D. So thank you very much. I am happy to solve this question for you, and thank you to follow me. So, and goodbye, Mr. Zaki with you. Bye bye.